Good morning, Learning Loraxes. My name, if you don't remember, is Miss Petrie, and I have designed a new unit for you this semester for Design and Technologies. So just to recap on what we've done so far, you've already done some digital technologies, you've learnt about the different software, you've learnt how to code, and you've played around with some games. That was fun, wasn't it? So in this unit, we're doing something completely different that we've sort of touched on a little bit before, but we haven't gone too much in depth into. So, first lesson of this week, we're actually going to have an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander guest come into our classroom and talk about food and fibre production. And if you haven't guessed already, that was a big hint of what our unit's about, food and fibre production. But you might not understand what that is quite yet, but you will during the unit, and hopefully the guest will explain that further if you don't have any background knowledge as to what that is yet. So they will come in, they will speak to you about the food they produce on their farms and about the production and processes that they go through to produce the food and fibre on their farms. And throughout the unit, you will also be speaking to me and your other peers about the summative assessment task at the end of the unit. If you don't know what that is, because I haven't explained it yet, look down below because I have put that in a separate document. I won't go too much in depth into it, but you will get to use a software that we have used last semester to create your very own garden. Sounds fun, doesn't it? I will go into more depth into that as we go along in this unit. So also, welcome to the Google Sites. I haven't introduced that yet. We haven't used it before, but in this unit, you get to go on this Google site, explore, have fun, and you get to engage in a classroom blog with your peers. Interesting, yeah? So I'm going to recap this video. So remember, it's a Design and Technologies unit. We will be learning about food and fibre production skills. You will also be speaking to local Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander guests who will come in and speak to you about their farming, how they produce food, and the plants that they grow for the community and maybe the nation. You never know. So watch the video below. That's actually just a little bit of a fun thing just to get you motivated into the unit. It's from the movie called Lorax, and if you haven't seen that already, it's a movie about deforestation and the fact that they're trying to grow plants due to a local and perhaps global issue that all the trees are getting cut down, and it's having a big impact on their life, but some of them just don't know it yet. So the song Let It Grow, Let It Grow, Let It Grow, if you haven't noticed, is also above under the name Learning Loraxes, because when you design your garden using the software, it's designed so we can maybe, hopefully in the future, produce food and fibre. So we want to let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. So be sure to watch that video as well, have a read through the Google site, and I will see you next lesson. Bye for now.